English together.
It's been a long time.
Hi, Emily. Is that you?
Hey! Wow, it's been a long time.
Yes, it has. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm good too. I'm married now.
Really? That's great. Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 kids. They are fun.
That's nice.
Hey, your hair is short now.
Yes, I cut my hair last year. Do you still play basketball?
Not often. I'm busy with work.
What do you do now?
I'm a dentist. I like it. I help people keep their teeth healthy.
That's nice. I work in a cafe. I make coffee.
Oh, that's good. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it very much.
That's great. Do you see our old friends?
I saw Tom last week.
Tom, how is he?
He is good. We talked about a class reunion.
That sounds fun.
Do you remember college? We stayed up all night working on a project.
Yes, we were very tired, but we laughed a lot.
And Angela fell asleep at the table.
Yes, it was very funny. When can we plan the reunion?
Maybe next month?
Yes, that is good for me. I will call the others.
Great. Let's stay in touch.
Yes, it is nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Take care.
Now let's learn some new words and phrases.
It's been a long time.
Dentist.
Reunion.
Fall asleep.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.